Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by fixing the goal, decide why you want improved text and who reads it. Once done, commit to transparency, label AI assistance when needed, make sure to prioritize accuracy and attribution. You should combine 2-5 reliable sources with your own notes and then pick the specific edits, clarity, tone, or structure. This step prevents misuse and aligns with policies. Do not aim to hide origins. Instead, focus on making writing useful, correct, and understandable for your audience. You now move into the detailed execution. Edit like a human editor. Read aloud and shorten sentences, add one concrete anecdote or a persona detail to create natural rhythm. Once done, fact-check every number, name, and date and flag anything uncertain with approximations. That avoids false precision. Make structural changes, headings, transitions, and active voice to improve flow. Make sure to preserve original meaning and never invent claims. Transparency remains the guiding principle throughout this refinement. You finish by verifying and documenting the work. Run readability tools and follow a style guide. Make sure content meets accessibility standards. Once done, perform plagiarism and attribution checks and explicitly document any AI assistance in a cover note or metadata. If something goes wrong, conflicting facts, or odd phrasing, revert to the prior draft, consult a peer reviewer, and log your changes with timestamps. This final discipline preserves integrity, reduces risk, and keeps the work defensible and accountable.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.